TradeRush is a new website I recently discovered that I use to make hundreds of dollars every single day. How does it work, and is this a legitimate opportunity? Well, let me show you exactly how it works. The option that I use is called 60 seconds. Now, what is this? What is this USD/JPY? Before you think this is some sort of complicated Forex, stocks, indices that you have to know a lot about, don't worry. This is very simple, very easy. What this is saying is the United States dollar to the Japanese yen, which is the money in Japan. What this is saying is that 83 of the Japanese yens equals $1. So how can we make money from this? How does this information matter to us? Well, TradeRush is a platform that revolves around the concept of binary options. Binary options is not actually buying something like Forex or a stock. You're just trading on it, whether it'll go up or down in a certain amount of time. As you can see, the current rate is 83.5394. If I click call, that means I believe this number will be higher in the next 60 seconds. And if I'm correct, I will make money just for being correct. I can invest $5, $10, $20. If I invest $10, my payout would be 16.7. That's $6.70 in just 60 seconds. If I did a larger trade, I'd make back $83.50. That is $33.50 in just 60 seconds. Okay, now this might be sounding too good to be true, but this is why it works. Because as easy it is to make money, it's easy to lose money. And the only way you'll continue to make money and not lose money is if you have a strategy. So what I do is I go to binary options on the main page of TradeRush, and I look at the popularity. As you can see here, for the USD/JPY, which is the Japanese yen to the United States dollar, 68% of the people trading think it's going to go up. Or here, the euro to the United States dollar, 83% of people think it's going to go up. This puts the odds in our favor that we'll be right. Let's pick the euro USD and come back to our 60-second trade. Now we'll switch over to the euro USD. And as you can see, this one actually has a higher return. An investment of $5 would bring back $8.50, which is $3.50 of profit. To start this trade, you would simply click start. It would pop up down here, and every correct trade would bring you this payout. Now suppose you lose a trade. Without leaving and just giving up and thinking, I'm wasting money, what you can do, what I've learned to consistently make money, is go back to here, go back to the main page, main page, and find another currency pair that looks to be having a lot of movement. Okay, let's see, the USD Japanese yen, 68% call. All right, if our Euro USD one failed, we could then rely on this one. Go back to 60 seconds. Now on that investment, we would have lost $5. So how do we recoup that amount of money while still making a new profit? Well, let's go to the United States to the Japanese yen, and let's change our investment amount to $20. With $20, our potential payout is $33.40, which would be a profit of $13.40. We would make back the original $5 we would lost, and we would be earning $7.40 of new profit. Suppose we lost that $20 trade. We could then up it to $50. We would make back the $20, we'd make back the $5 lost, and we'd still bring in a profit. You can keep raising the amount, and eventually the odds are just too high in your favor. There's just a high likelihood that you will not lose, as long as you keep the popularity in your favor and as you keep raising the bids. So to get started with TradeRush and to start making money online, I have a link directly below this video that you can click on. They have a start trading button here, but I found that this takes a little bit longer. What's easier is to click on open account, fill out all your details here, you can invest money and start trading immediately. You can invest from your credit card, your bank account, and you can withdraw directly to your bank account. It takes only several days to receive the money. And if you go through my link right below this video, you will also be given the opportunity to receive a 5% bonus on your deposit. Wishing you the best of luck and many profits.